Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've shared a video. I'm trying to hibernate and be away of social media and YouTube. I don't know why, maybe it's the pandemic, maybe it's because I'm pregnant, but in case you don't know, I'm Olivia, nice to meet you, and today I'm coming back for a new video just to show you the unboxing of the baby registry from Target, the gift they give you when you do a registry there. I want to try to keep this video short because I love this kind of video of unboxing stuff that I care about, but I hate when people talk so much. But one little thing is that this is my second pregnancy. I already got with my first baby the little bag. I don't absolutely remember what was in the first one, but I did a second baby registry mostly because I've been working at Target the past few months. I really wanted to see what was in their little bag this year. And first of all, do you like my hairband? I bought it this summer and I haven't used it yet, so I thought it was the perfect occasion to wear it in this video. I look like a little medieval dame. And let's start with the unboxing right away, and I can talk more while I open this. As I was saying, I'm pregnant with my second baby, who is a girl. I'm 24 weeks at the moment. So let's start. First of all, we have a Pampers little present. I'm gonna open everything with you because I haven't opened anything yet, but I'm gonna be fast. Whoop, whoop. A lot of stuff came out. In it, you can find a $2 off coupon draft detergent to $1. No, actually, this one is $1. The other one is $1.50 coupon. The $1.50 is for diapers. The $1 is for wipes. Here is a little welcoming to the word baby kind of pamphlet. A little bit about the Pampers Club, which I'm already signed up with. A little pack of like sample of wipes. There is 6 in them, and 1 diaper size newborn. Sorry, there was this sticker on top, so I can't really read it, but it's a newborn size diaper. Let's move on to the next thing. Now it's time for Huggies. And let's see what's inside. Oh, it's only, I'm not gonna open it all because it's only diapers. There is 3 diapers size 1, and inside there is a little pamphlet with like rewards. No, actually it just tells you how to sign up on Fetch, which I'm already signed up, to get their points. Next we have a little fast relief diaper rash paste with Aquaphor, 0.11 ounces, and it's a little sample, but it's nice to have in your diaper bag. Next we have Breastfeeding Samples from I never know how to pronounce this brand, Lancino, this one. And inside, I'm not gonna open it because actually I'm gonna open it just to make sure there's no coupon inside. But with my first pregnancy, I got a lot of this. There is 2 breast milk storage bags, which I had so many, but I ended up giving them away because I never used them. And 2 disposable nursing pads. I used a lot of this one instead. So these are very helpful. No, and there's no coupon inside. Next, I want to show you the bag a little bit. So it's pretty full. Next we have a little Shea, I don't know how to pronounce this, Boyster. It's a raw Shea, how do you pronounce that? Shea, Chamomile and Argan oil baby wash and shampoo. As you can see, this is a little sample, but again, I like these little things that you can bring with you in case you travel. And this one is 15 ml, so it's 0.5 ounces. And I like this brand. I used their shampoos a couple of times, so this is good to have. And I'm sure that one wasn't in the bag last year. 3 years ago when I was pregnant the first time. A little sample of water wipes. This, together with the Huggies wipes, are my favorite. And in this one, there's 10 wipes. And again, very useful to keep in your diaper bag. 10 wipes are a lot, so they could last you a few days. A bottle from Dr. Brown's I breastfed my daughter pretty much with no adding any formula. So a lot of the bottles that I got with all this like gifting and stuff, I ended up giving away because I haven't used all of them. But it's always good to have because I don't have any more from when my first daughter was newborn. Next we have a little Johnson baby lotion. I'm not a big fan of Johnson & Johnson as a brand, so maybe I'll give this away. Maybe I'll use this on me rather than using it on my daughter. But again, it's always nice to get a little sample. This one is pretty big. It's 100 ml or 3.4 ounces, which is actually good for traveling because you can bring it on the plane with you. Palmer's cocoa butter formula massage lotion for stretch marks. I used this brand the first time I was pregnant. I'm not a big fan. I read like not good things about their ingredients, and as you can see, they're very long, and I've been trying to use things that are a little more clean on me and on the baby too, of course, but so almond oil or butters that are like very simple with not a lot of ingredients. But again, this is a sample, 20 ml, and it's good again if we are traveling. No one is really traveling right now, but it's always good to have. Next we have a little draft newborn sample. It's for laundry. Actually, I got this at my pediatrician, not my pediatrician, my daughter's pediatrician. Their office, they were giving them away, so I took like 3-4. I really like their smell, but this is actually perfect. It's like one bag, it's enough for one load. Next, it's something that I really like, are the Boogie Wipes. There is one wipe inside this package. Next to it, there is a $1 off manufacturer coupon. It expires in 2022. That's good. And those are perfect when your kid has a little cold or is not feeling good. So I really like this. I always have them with me. Next we have another sample of wipes. All these samples of wipes are great because I'm definitely gonna keep them with me. But this one are from the Honest Company. There's 10 wipes again in it, and I really like this brand too. I tried many with my firstborn, but I ended up going with water wipes or Huggies, which I like more, but these were good too. Oh, actually probably this was the first thing I should have got. It says say hello to a year of registry benefits, and here it tells you all the partners at Target, how to get your offer, how to get your 15% off and stuff like that. Now here we have another bottle. This is from Ma'am, and I don't think there is any coupon inside. I don't see anything. So this is one, actually I'm gonna open it. There is one bottle and one pacifier. Oh, I remember, actually I got this bottle with my first registry. So it's a little bottle and inside there is a pacifier, which is actually great because my first daughter didn't use pacifiers. All the one that she actually just played with, I threw away or gave away. So I don't have any one left. So inside the bottle there is a pacifier. And we got to the end. Also, this video was not too long. This was a sample that I never found before. This is from Upspring Milk Flow, and it's a dietary supplement. It's something to promote breastfeeding. Yeah, so it's like a powder. I was reading in the back. I was reading in the back, and it's like a powder that you melt in hot or cold milk. So it's gonna be like hot chocolate or cold chocolate, and apparently it's gonna help you breastfeeding. And that was it for the Target baby registry bag. As you can see, it's empty. And yeah, so I think it was, for being something that it's free, I think it gives you a lot of things, a lot of basic things, and most of all, it lets you try different products without buying a whole pack of wipes that maybe you don't like and you feel bad not using. That was it. So if you have any question, if you like this video, please leave a like or subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I'll be back soon with more video or more present on Instagram. I don't know about you, but I haven't been feeling very social lately, so I'm just gonna do my thing, continue being pregnant, and we'll see how the world will continue to go to. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!